Kicking things off strong, the Spurtar wrench extender is the brute force solution every mechanic dreams about when a stubborn bolt simply refuses to budge. This adjustable cheater bar slides directly onto your existing wrench or ratchet, working with both a 1/2-inch drive and 21mm hex drive for maximum versatility. The heat-treated steel construction means it can handle serious torque multiplication without bending, snapping, or letting you down mid-job. Instead of buying a massive breaker bar that lives in your toolbox collecting dust, this compact extender adapts to whatever wrench you already own. It's perfect for rusted lug nuts, seized suspension bolts, or any fastener that's been welded shut by time and corrosion. Throw it in your truck or garage, and you've basically got a Hulk mode upgrade ready whenever needed. For under $30, it's one of the smartest investments any DIYer can make. Next up is the Franklin Sensors Light Level. And honestly, this thing makes hanging pictures, shelves, and fixtures embarrassingly easy. Instead of fumbling with a traditional bubble level in dim hallways or awkward corners, this tool projects a bright, glowing light bar that instantly shows you when something is perfectly level. The illuminated indicator is visible from across the room, so you can adjust pieces without constantly leaning in and squinting at tiny bubbles. It's especially helpful for solo projects where you can't ask someone to tell you when it's straight. The magnetic edges grab onto metal surfaces, freeing up both your hands for fine adjustments. It runs on simple batteries and lasts forever, making it a permanent fixture in any toolkit. Once you use it, regular levels start to feel ancient. If you do any woodworking at all, the GRENPRO Scriber marking ruler is going to feel like cheating. This adjustable aluminum alloy sliding T-square doubles as a precision marking tool, angle finder, and drawing aid all rolled into one slick package. The built-in Carpenter pencil glides along a metal ruler track, giving you razor-straight lines every single time without any wobble or guesswork. The adjustment scale lets you dial in exact measurements for repeatable cuts, perfect for cabinet work, trim, or any project demanding accuracy. It scribes parallel lines along edges, marks angles for miters, and even helps lay out joinery with confidence. The build feels solid and professional, not flimsy like cheap plastic squares. For the price, it replaces 3 separate tools and saves space in your apron. Electrical work demands respect, and the Jonard Tools TK502 kit gives you the confidence to handle it safely. This combo pack includes a non-contact voltage tester and a GFCI receptacle tester, covering nearly every diagnostic situation you'll face around the house or job site. The voltage pen lights up and beeps the moment it senses live current, letting you check wires without ever touching bare metal. The receptacle tester plugs straight into any outlet and instantly tells you whether it's wired correctly or has open grounds, reversed polarity, or other faults. It also trips the GFCI to confirm the safety circuit is actually working as designed. Together, these 2 tools eliminate the guesswork that causes most DIY electrical accidents. Every homeowner and tradesman should keep this kit within arm's reach. Tight engine bays and cramped cabinet corners are no match for the Kubist offset extension wrench. This impact-ready tool features a clever offset design that lets you reach fasteners hidden behind obstacles or buried in spaces your hands simply can't fit. It comes with 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch square drive adapters, making it instantly compatible with whatever sockets and ratchets you already own. The hardened steel build handles both manual force and impact driver power without flinching under serious torque loads. Whether you're working on alternators, dashboard bolts, or appliance hardware, this thing turns impossible angles into easy access. It's the tool you didn't know you needed until you're lying on your back staring at a bolt you can't reach. Once it's in your kit, you'll find excuses to use it. Cyclists and precision builders, the PrestaCycle Pro Torquey is going to make you smile. This T-handle torque-limiting driver is preset to a specific Torquey value, so it clicks and disengages the moment you reach the proper tightness. No fiddling with dials, no recalibrating, no guessing whether you've gone too far on a delicate carbon fiber component. The ergonomic T-handle gives you full control with both hands, making fine adjustments smooth and predictable. It accepts standard 1/4 inch bits, so you can swap between hex sizes for stems, seat posts, and component bolts. Beyond cycling, it's incredible for electronics, optics, and any small fastener that demands consistent precision. It's the kind of tool that prevents expensive mistakes before they happen. Setting fence posts, mailboxes, or deck supports just got way less frustrating with the Capro 340 post-right folding post level. This ingenious tool wraps around the post itself with a folding design that locks onto 2 adjacent sides simultaneously. The built-in vials show plumb in both directions at once, so you don't have to keep walking around the post checking and rechecking. A strong elastic strap holds it firmly in place, freeing both your hands to brace, backfill, or pour concrete without losing alignment. It folds flat for storage and weighs almost nothing, making it easy to toss in any tool bag. The yellow body stays visible even in muddy worksite conditions where standard levels disappear. For anyone doing outdoor structural work, it pays for itself on the very first project. The Fenicara Picture Hanging Kit takes one of the most tedious household tasks and turns it into something almost enjoyable. This thoughtfully designed kit includes a clever marking tool that transfers your hook positions directly onto the wall with perfect accuracy. No more measuring, leveling, drilling holes in the wrong spot, and patching mistakes. It pretty much eliminates the guesswork entirely. It comes loaded with various hardware options so you can hang anything from tiny photo frames to heavy mirrors with confidence. The included level ensures everything sits perfectly straight on the first try. Every single time. It's compact enough to keep in a drawer and lasts through hundreds of projects without wearing out. If you've ever cursed at a crooked picture frame, this kit is your redemption. Renovators, listen up, because the Goldblatt trim puller is going to save you hours of frustration on every demo job. This specialized tool is designed specifically for removing baseboards, crown molding, door casings, and trim without splitting, cracking, or damaging the wood you want to save. Unlike a standard pry bar that crushes the material, its wide flat blade spreads the prying force evenly across the trim's surface. The angled head slides cleanly behind moldings and pops them off with minimal effort and zero wall damage. The cushioned handle gives you a comfortable grip even during long demo sessions. Whether you're reusing the original trim or just want clean walls afterward, this tool keeps your project tidy. It's a must-have for flippers, remodelers, and anyone tackling a renovation. The Jorgensen Japanese pull saw is genuinely one of the most satisfying tools you'll ever pick up. Unlike Western saws that cut on the push stroke, this pull saw cuts as you draw it back towards your body, producing incredibly clean and precise results. The 6-inch folding dovetail blade is razor sharp, slicing through hardwoods and softwoods with almost no resistance or wandering. Its thin kerf removes minimal material, which is perfect for fine joinery, flush cuts, and detail work where accuracy matters most. The folding design protects the blade during transport and tucks neatly into any tool roll or apron pocket. The handle feels balanced and comfortable, encouraging the smooth, controlled strokes that make this saw shine. Once you try a pull saw, going back to a push saw feels like swimming upstream. Scaffold builders and HVAC pros, this one's for you. The Max Power Scaffold Ratchet Wrench combines a 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch drive into a single rugged tool designed for tough professional environments. Its long handle delivers serious torque for tightening scaffold pins, structural bolts, and heavy hardware that smaller ratchets can't handle. The reversible head lets you switch directions instantly without flipping the tool around or pausing your workflow. A built-in lanyard hole means you can tether it safely when working at heights, preventing dangerous drops. The all-metal construction stands up to harsh job site abuse, sun, rain, and accidental tumbles without missing a beat. Whether you're erecting platforms or working on heavy machinery, this is the wrench you'll grab every single time. The Thorvald deburring external chamfer tool looks unassuming, but it solves one of plumbing and metalworking's most annoying problems. Whenever you cut a bolt, threaded rod, pipe, or rebar, the cut leaves rough burrs that prevent nuts and fittings from threading on smoothly. This little tool slips over the rough end and cleans up the chamfer with just a few quick twists by hand or drill. It works on multiple diameters, so a single tool handles everything from small bolts to larger pipes without swapping bits. The internal cutting edges shave off perfectly even chamfers, restoring threads as if they were factory cut. It's a 5-second fix for a problem that usually wastes minutes of frustrating filing. Once you own one, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Anyone who's ever wrestled a sheet of plywood across a parking lot will instantly appreciate the Craig Panel Carrier. This simple but brilliant tool hooks under heavy sheet goods like plywood, drywall, MDF, or doors, and gives you a comfortable ergonomic handle to lift with. Instead of bending awkwardly and pinching the panel between your fingers, you stand upright and carry it like a briefcase. The grippy hook design holds the sheet firmly without slipping, even when the surface is dusty or smooth. It distributes the weight across your whole arm, dramatically reducing strain on your fingers, wrists, and back. The compact size means it lives in your truck or shop without taking up real estate. For anyone hauling sheet goods regularly, it's a back-saving game changer. Forget electronic stud finders that give false readings and eat batteries. The HM Magnets, Powerful Magnetic Stud Finder Pro, uses pure physics to get it right every time. This compact tool relies on powerful rare earth magnets that snap directly onto the screws or nails, holding drywall to the studs. There are no batteries, no calibration, and no beeping electronics that get confused near pipes or wires. You simply glide it across the wall, and it physically locks onto the metal fasteners hidden inside. A built-in level helps you mark perfectly aligned points for hanging shelves or art. It's pocket-sized, virtually indestructible, and works just as well decades from now as it does today. Sometimes the simplest tool is genuinely the best one. Threading holes by hand used to be a slow, awkward chore until the Wilbond adjustable ratcheting tap wrench came along. This tool grips standard taps of multiple sizes with a quick-release adjustable jaw, eliminating the need for multiple wrenches in your kit. The ratcheting mechanism lets you tap threads in tight spaces without lifting and resetting the wrench every quarter turn. A simple thumb switch reverses direction, so backing out a tap to clear chips is smooth and effortless. The metal construction handles real torque without flexing or stripping under pressure. Whether you're tapping fresh holes, chasing damaged threads, or repairing stripped fasteners, this tool makes the job significantly faster. It's the kind of upgrade machinists and metalworkers swear by once they try it. The Liberton Strap Wrench 2-piece set is one of those tools that earns its place in every drawer in the house. The flexible rubber straps grip round objects of nearly any shape or size without scratching, denting, or marring the surface underneath. Use the larger one for stuck oil filters, big jar lids, or PVC fittings, and the smaller one for plumbing fixtures and small containers. The harder you pull, the tighter the strap grips, so even the most stubborn seized objects don't stand a chance. They work on smooth, slippery, or chrome-plated surfaces where traditional wrenches would slip and damage everything. They're light, simple, and need zero maintenance to keep working forever. Mechanics, plumbers, and home cooks will all find a daily use for them. The KLX Tools Magnetic Tool Holder Belt Clip is a simple accessory that completely transforms how you work. This compact magnetic holster clips directly onto your belt, apron, or pocket, providing instant storage for nails, screws, drill bits, or small tools while you work. The powerful magnet keeps everything firmly attached, even when you bend, climb a ladder, or move around quickly between tasks. No more pocketing sharp screws that poke your leg or losing the bit you just took out of the driver. The clip-on design installs in 2 seconds and stays put without sliding, twisting, or falling off mid-job. It's especially helpful for solo workers who'd otherwise be climbing up and down looking for hardware. Once you wear one for a day, you won't work without it. HVAC installers. The Crenlory Magnetic TDC and TDF Cleat Clip Tool is going to make your ductwork dramatically faster and cleaner. Setting cleats on transverse duct connections used to require 2 hands, awkward angles, and serious patience. This tool uses a strong magnet to hold the cleat perfectly in position while you drive it home, freeing up your other hand to swing the hammer. It works on both TDC and TDF-style duct flanges, so it covers the most common installation systems in commercial work. The magnetic grip is strong enough to hold heavy-gauge cleats, but releases cleanly once they're seated. The compact size means you can carry several in your pouch without bulk or clutter. For sheet metal pros, it's a productivity upgrade that pays for itself almost immediately. For 1911 owners, removing the barrel bushing has historically been a tense, frustrating process, but the real Avid 1911 Smart Wrench changes that completely. This purpose-built tool fits both government and officer model 1911s with precise tolerances that eliminate slipping during disassembly. The non-marring resin face prevents any scratches, scuffs, or damage to your firearm's blued or polished finish. Most importantly, the built-in spring retention feature catches the recoil spring plug as you rotate the bushing, preventing that dreaded ping of a spring launching across the room. The ergonomic handle gives you firm control and excellent leverage during the entire process. It works smoothly with both factory and aftermarket bushings without modification or fuss. For anyone who regularly cleans or works on 1911s, this is an absolute essential. The GRENPRO 17-inch rolling magnetic sweeper is a lifesaver for anyone working around metal debris, screws, or nails. This wheeled sweeper covers a wide path and uses powerful magnets, generating 8.8 pounds of pull force to collect everything ferrous in its path. The telescoping handle adjusts to any user's height, letting you walk upright instead of hunching over while sweeping. A simple release mechanism drops collected metal into a bucket, without you ever having to touch the sharp debris yourself. It's perfect for construction sites, workshops, garages, parking lots, and yards where dropped fasteners pose flat tire risks. The kit even includes bonus magnetic pickup tools for collecting hardware in tight spaces. Roofers, contractors, and homeowners all benefit from owning one. Closing out the list with a true workshop hero, the 2-League Collapsible Magnetic Parts. Tray set keeps every small fastener exactly where you need it. This 3-piece set features silicone trays of varying sizes that fold flat for storage and pop open instantly for use. The integrated magnetic bases lock onto any steel surface, so your screws, nuts, bolts, and washers stay put even on inclined or vertical workspaces. The included 15-pound magnetic pickup pen retrieves dropped hardware from tight spots without any digging or fishing around. The silicone material is durable, flexible, and easy to clean of grease, oil, or grime after messy jobs. Whether you're rebuilding an engine, servicing electronics, or doing routine repairs, these trays prevent the universal frustration of lost parts. Honestly, every garage in the world should own a set. That's the list. Links to every tool are in the description. Like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which one you're grabbing first. See you in the next video.